But then you can go fast and slow and it's fine.
It's not that far.
Jesus.
Fuck yeah, Jack.
Whoa!
It's okay, go anytime you want.
Thank you. Oh, jeez. Straight off. Okay, go. That's a pretty hefty compression. Maybe a slightly wider line of that. Whoa. That's a soft patch. Might get destroyed by the race. How is it? Do you look at it?
Yeah. Yeah, just pull on the wood and go real big.
Real big?
Yeah.
Big, yeah.
Damn. This is the sender. Dude, that's running pretty good.
Yeah.
Also sketchy, but pretty good. Wide. Because you're just going straight, so not bad. Oh. What do you want to set up that way? Hey boy. Yeah, set up. Good catch down there.
Yeah? Yeah.
It looked good. Leaf dropping.
Leaf cold?
Yeah. I think that's pretty cool.
Yeah. You got that tree there. Just stay inside of it.
Yeah. Don't hit the berm.
And then probably land like right where that dark dirt is, just past that. Whoa, that's pretty gross.
Yeah, it's
But at least there's like no landing, so the case isn't that bad. And then it's just the after, it's pretty sketchy too. Oh. We're both just like, is he gonna do it? Okay, that tree. Whew. Damn. Yeah. Stay left that tree. Alright.
Rider.
Rider. No, maybe.
What's the gist of this one?
Just send it, Liam. Dude, you're supposed to do it blind. Oh,
You like your tires?
man.
Only have one set of rims, man.
Fuck, yeah, that's true, man. That's scary. It really just like goes up. Here's Menzies. Heads up, he's gonna do it for sure. Jesus.
Fuck yeah, Jack.
Whoa! Yeah, boy. I don't know who the second one was.
Alex Silverthorne.
Oh yeah, sick. Wow, Jack was flying.
Almost like got to do that.
What the f? That was crazy. I wasn't gonna go that fast. But then you can go fast and slow and it's fine.
It's not that far.
No, he didn't, for sure. He actually landed in like a really good spot. Damn, what line was that too? That was crazy. Yeah, actually. Tight's way straighter. Yeah, because if you go where you are, it's actually a pretty big hook. So you want to like get out here, set up, cut inside. Scary. nose is too big. Yeah. Wow. Huh. Whoa. Oh, sorry. That's whack. Would you go, can you go wide just around that tree, I think?
Yeah.
Oh, over the blind rise.
Yeah, that was good.
And then it's probably just better hop that root or something. Yeah. Alright. And then, damn, wide. Yeah, it's a bit messy, but make sure you're okay. Can you there? Oh, around. Oh, careful, patience, and low, I think. That is some jank. Holy. Oh shit. Both open? Is left line quicker?
I don't know, man.
I didn't know they'd both be open. Probably.
You think left line's bigger like this one?
Well, it's just shorter. What's down there? What's down there?
There's an outside run.
Yeah.
Come down this way. And then you kind of hang on this tree here.
Fuck.
Inside.
Whoa. That's hella. Fuck, inside's like new inside. I was like, the trail doesn't go there. Yeah, like where they are, like stop up and go straight right, basically. That's kind of scary. I don't like those stumps in the loam, dude. Nose pick. That goes though, that was alright before I like missed it. I like had it.
I came up here then.
And then double checked.
Yeah. Got some sick stand.
Oh! He's got it!
It's real short here. And then go again.
Yeah.
Like, just fucking messy fit.
Feel hardly, feel like leaf rockers. Then cut right.
Oh.
Fuck yeah.
Nose pick. Nose pick. Oh.
That's it.
Dude, that's not bad. The low?
Like this is gonna be really rutted by the time we ride this mile.
Is it a better exit from this hot line? Oh yeah. That's crazy.
I don't know. What if you could like over the bush, like really open this up and turn out?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, if you like jump it. No, I think if you just go slow and no, you can just turn in. Just gonna do that little turn. The low's like, I don't know, man.
It's kind of nice though.
That's,
if you hit this line into the low.
That's what I mean. You're braking a lot to get into that.
But I think that catch run down there is so bad though. Not really.
I don't know. It's dude, that's held for freaking 20 years.
Still holding. Hold a lot better than this.
It's just the exit's definitely nicer on this. Like you carry tons of speed through. Man, I don't know. Dude, we like this. Worcester never has line choice. Worcester's just like mainline, how fast can you let it go? Yeah, boy, wait, one sec. Give your line away.
Yeah. Alright, inside.
World Cup winner. Yo. We like that. It does cut off a lot of stuff.
That was fun. Like his rear wheel was like
They just go, dude, that's pretty freaking good.
Yeah, it wasn't not any.
But he lost the corner down there. And I think you have a better exit on this. Oh, scary. Oh, whoops. Oh. Oh. Dude, that's sketch. Huh? Yeah, but I think both of our back wheels were like holding on.
But that low's got pretty far.
But I think if you just like know that it's there, hit the rut and do it. I think I'm just gonna do that, honestly.
Yeah.
It's freaking
Pretty tedious, isn't it?
oh. Oh! Oh! Damn.
Fuck, that's tight.
There's a rock now in that. Shit, I don't know what to do there. What do you think?
Probably just gonna go low.
Yeah. That was, dude, real, like I don't know if you felt it, but my back wheel was like
You're just like on the edge.
barely had it. And if you know where that bottom rut is, like you just go slower.
Yeah.
And you're fine. And I remember this, you come out wide, like you carry good speed.
Yeah, I kind of felt like you always got too much speed for this corner.
Yeah,
I ran
totally.
wide.
Scary. Alright. Maybe left there. Ah. Oh, weird. Whoa. Sketchy. Thanks for cutting some trees.